1971. 429 Ram Air Ford Mustang Mach 1. Good day to you. I'm Christopher, and the guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake. And this, to my right, is a 1971 429 Ram Air Ford Mustang Mach 1. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. It was actually sold here in St. Louis. This is an automatic car. The reason it's an automatic car is St. Louis gets hot in the summertime. So you can only get an air-conditioned car, this car, with an automatic. 4-speed was non-air conditioned. Anywho, that's the reason for that, but this is a beautiful light pewter metallic paint. It's gorgeous. It's the stripes, it's incredible. It's got the fin, it's got everything. The wing, everything in this car is absolutely gorgeous. The tires are wonderful. The interior is just gorgeous. It's a beautiful car, numbers matching. You gotta love it.
15-inch Magnum 500 wheels as well.
Yes, it does.
Which is awesome. We have the Marty report in the trunk, along with a slew of owner's manuals and some floor mats back there.
I love all
and
the
the trunk is really nice, honestly.
It is.
Very good floors and everything. Underneath of this car looks absolutely perfect. It was restored and repainted, so this paint is like perfect.
Whoever did it did a great.
And the pewter metallic with the black decals looks great.
It does. It all is very, very, I don't know, it's very period, but this has got to be the best color. It's not one of those weird kind of amber colors or weird colors they did in the 70s. This is the best color combo.
It's just pretty looking.
It really is.
And with the chrome hood pins are cool, and the fog lights in the front, the amber lights. It's just a cool car all around.
It is a wonderful car, and I can't wait to take it for a drive. How about you, Jake?
Let's do it. I think we are ready. Ready?
Here we go.
Sounds good.
Oh, it does. I mean, this is a loaded Mach 1.
Yeah,
Loaded.
we got power windows and power locks in here. AM/FM stereo, air conditioning, a clock that is currently working. That is incredible.
That is incredible.
There's your automatic shifter right there.
Oh, look. Jake.
Oh, what do we got?
Jake, tilt wheel, baby.
Tilt wheel.
Are we in a modern car?
There's a lighter in case you want to take up smoking, and an ashtray.
Kids.
Don't smoke.
Kids, don't smoke.
Don't smoke.
Please and thank you.
Oh.
Well,
Feel the pickup.
I'm not even trying the beans. Beans are, well, they came standard in this bad boy. 429. And it sounds mean.
It's a lot of cubic inches.
It's more than the average cubic inches.
We got a back seat for real people.
For people!
Black vinyl seats in the whole thing, which is very nice.
It's so nice, the light pewter metallic.
Yeah, the black and the pewter. The pewter.
Pewter. I like the word pewter.
It's a good color combination.
Oh boy. She wants to leap. Please don't leap, my friend. Oh man. Look, it's got a tack, it's got everything. Wow, this is nice. A big hood for big cars.
1971, it was a very long hood.
Yes, it's a long hood here.
A lot of car in front of you.
Yes.
But that's okay, because it's fun to look at.
It is, and that's a big engine in that bad boy. Power locks. What a great option for this car. Power windows, amazing.
Right.
This car's got everything, including air conditioning, which I'm a fan of.
Not going to need it today, but that's okay.
Oh, no, it's a gorgeous day to cruise around in a 71 Mach 1.
We still see if it works, I guess.
Well, I mean, we might as well.
Oh, it's already working.
Whoa.
That is actually cool.
All right, now. I wore shorts today.
Yeah, we're going to... I'm going to turn that back off.
Wow.
I didn't even have it on max AC.
Love it.
And it was already cool.
How about the fact it's got a working clock?
Yeah, it's got a working working clock down there.
Zip gauge.
That's great. Power front disc brakes.
Yes.
Power rear drums.
Yes.
Power steering is nice. Power steering, tilt wheel.
Love the tilt wheel.
It's a luxury car.
This is a very option.
Yeah.
Very well option.
Well option 71 Mustang.
I mean, you got the big engine. You got the big engine.
You got the big engine, and you got the AC because you got the automatic.
375 horsepower, so at least that's what I was told. I don't know how many torques.
Probably a lot of torques.
And you know, going about 50 miles an hour, sort of kind of speeding, we're at $2 grand. Yeah. That's not bad at all.
No.
For this car? Oh my. I love the old wooden steering wheels.
Brakes work nice.
They do. Well, they're powered, you can definitely tell. Because, you know, drums in the back, disc in the front.
Right.
Wow, it cruises nice.
Yeah.
It's funny, it doesn't beat you up like, you know, modern Mustangs. They ride rough. They're obviously handlers, but
No, it's not bad.
this is really nice. I love the long hood. Oh, yes.
Can't really get on it too hard because, yeah, like you said, she's not completely warmed up yet.
She's as old as I am, and we are slow starters in the
Well, it's
morning.
a big block. They take a minute to warm up.
It does. It does.
And it's not a very warm day, so it's going to take even longer.
And we got that kind of time.
Here in Missouri, it's the fall.
It is. And this is a beautiful November. I'm not even kidding. All the
been
leaves
great
are
so
gone.
far.
All the leaves are gone. But it is just an excellent day. It's going to be 81 degrees today in the Midwest.
And you know what time it is?
Oh, I do. It's a good old-fashioned startup.
We're in
is what
our
it is.
spot. Time for a good old-fashioned startup.
Nobody's here, Jake.
I know.
I love it.
You ready?
Yes. She's got beans. She does have beans. She sounds great too. Jake, why don't you drive this back?
Sounds good to me.